This puzzle's called Heated Whisperings by AnalyticalNinja. I got it from the Sudoku Testing Submissions channel of the CTC Community Discord. Let's take a look at the rules. So, normal 4x4 rules, so fill the digits 1 to 4 into the grid. Can't repeat within a region. Adjacent digits on a green line differ by at least 2, so if this was a 1, this would have to be a 3 or a 4. If this was a 2, this would have to be a 4. And so on. Okay, and of course, both times on this. So if this was a 2, these would both have to be 4. That sort of thing. Then we also have this thermometer. Digits increase along the thermometer from the bulb end. So if this was a 2, this would have to be a 3 or a 4. If this was a 3, this would have to be a 1 or a 2. I don't think this one will be too difficult. I'll put a link to the puzzle down in the description if you want to give it a try. Let's get going. So I don't know if this is the right way to go about this, but the first thing I saw is that we can color this a little bit. Let's go with yellow, because we have green lines. So where can yellow go in box 3? It must go down here. And where can yellow go in box 4? It must go here. Because, of course, you can't be 2 digits away from yourself, and also you can't be greater than yourself. So it's over here. And again, you can't be greater than yourself, so this is yellow. So we have this pretty pattern of yellows emerging. So what about this cell? Let's make it dark pink. Dark pink in row 1, column 1 must go here. And actually, that's a little less helpful. Okay, let's back up. Let's go with this one then. Where can this one go in box 2? It must go here. Huh, that doesn't... Okay, well, let's start with pink here. Then we can put blue and put blue here. Because blue can't be 2 away from itself. We know one of these is blue. We know one of these is pink. Okay, what about a third color, or fourth color even? Well, this one, no, this could be blue. This could be blue, so I shouldn't color there. Let's start here, and let's go with dark green. So this is, yeah, so these two, this must be pink. Because blue can't go here, so this must be pink, which puts a pink here. Okay, and that puts green here. These remaining ones are green and blue. And I don't see any way to resolve that until we have some amount of logic. So, we know that yellow and pink are 2 away from each other, at least 2 away from each other. And also that blue is the smaller one. Sorry, blue. And also that yellow is the smaller one. So it's something like this. If yellow is 1, this could be 3 or 4. Now, we have to think about this a little bit harder. What if pink was 3? How would that look? Well, this would have to be a 1, and blue would have to be 1. But blue and yellow are 2 different digits. So it can't be like that. So pink must be 4. Yellow then can be 1 or 2. And blue is the other of 1 or 2. So green must be 3, because that's the last remaining digit. So now, what about here? Could yellow and blue, or sorry, could this be blue? Yellow and blue are both 1 and 2, but that's not 2 digits apart. This must be green, which means it must be a 3. And these two can't be green. Which means, how do we get 2 away from 3? Well, this yellow has to be 1, and then blue has to be the remaining 2. And there you go. Solved, not too hard, but actually pretty tricky, I think. Not straightforward at all. You had to color, and then you had to do some deductions with combining the thermos with the German whisper line. That's what the green lines are called, German whisper lines. And then you had one last deduction to make with the German whisper. So not too trivial, although with just 4 digits, there's not a lot of options or a lot of, thinking to go through. Like, there's only, a lot of these cells are like, okay, well, if this isn't a 3, well, then it must be a 4. That sort of thing. But yeah, there was definitely some tough logic. You just had to kind of figure out where to look on that. Yeah, that was great. Great for Saturday morning, 9:30. So, thank you, AnalyticalNinja, for the puzzle, and thank you all for watching.